I have our story for us today, and it's perfect because our word for today is recycling. So the story I chose is Time to Recycle. Seemed like it might be a good book for us today. I thought so. Oh, and there's that triangle, that recycling symbol. See it right there? Time to recycle. Recycling. Did you know that paper, cans, and bottles can be recycled? Recycling means to make new things from old things. Recycling keeps things from being buried in landfills. It also saves resources. Fewer trees are cut down for paper. Less new metal has to be mined. Oh, that is all garbage. So much garbage that they have a big truck on top having to push it all around. Landfills we learned about in Betsy's kindergarten, the first video on Monday that we watched. I don't know about you, but I wouldn't want to live anywhere near that. I bet that's pretty stinky. Collection. Garbage collectors often pick up items to recycle at your home. Some people sort their recyclings. Others put them all into one bin called commingling. I do not sort my things, but mine all go in one bin. Glass. The next step is sorting. Glass is sorted by color, such as blue, brown, and clear. The glass is then melted and made into new glass. So once it gets to the recycling center, so after the garbage collectors pick it up and take it to the recycling center, then they take it and they have to sort all of that glass by what color it is. Oh, bless me. Metal. Metal cans can be recycled. Metal is melted down and shaped into new metal items. In 2009, 51% of aluminum cans were recycled. So they took all those metals, some like soup cans and things like that, melted them down and reshaped them into new cans. Plastic. Plastic is sorted by numbers shown on the containers. Plastic is cut into tiny pieces, then it is melted and shaped into new products. So in that triangle that you'll see on containers, plastic, there will be a number generally inside the middle of that, and that will tell them so that they can put the same numbers together because it's the same kind of plastic. And in order for them to melt it down, first they cut it up into teeny tiny little pieces before they melt it and make it into new containers. Paper. Newspaper, computer paper, cardboard can all be recycled. The paper is broken down in water. Then the paper is shaped and drained to make new paper. So they kind of make this stuff called paper pulp, and they do that by getting it all wet. And if you ever gotten paper towel or things wet, it starts to kind of fall apart, and that's what they're doing here to break the paper apart so that they can make it into new paper. Soda cans, cereal boxes, and plastic bottles may all be made from recycled items. Recycling is complete when the new product is in the store again. So they're shopping. And there's some of those things may have been made from recycled things. And then this tells you how to make recycled paper. This is one of my favorite things to do. Thing is it's hard to find an old blender at Goodwill to use, but you make paper pulp and then lay it out and make your own paper. It's a pretty fun experiment to try. So moms and dads, if you're feeling daring, there's a lot of different recipes online for making it. This might be a weekend project that you might want to try. It's fun to see the beginning to end on how you can recycle paper. So making recycled paper is a fun project that maybe if you're looking for something to do that you guys can do together. And that was our story.